This is Bingo Instant Play, which is a instant scratch ticket, and this costs $3. When you go to any OLG retail outlet, you will see this on display, and once you pay $3, you get this ticket. Sometimes it's awkward to ask how to play a game. After watching this video, you will not be asking this question. You'll get a clarity on how this game is played. So the top prize here is $50,000, and once you buy this card, you will see this collar card. You see here, collar card, and this color card will not reveal the number what is there here. These are 25 circles and each circle will have the number. Right now you can see, for ease of this video, I have revealed the number, and then you have this bingo card 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you keep scratching one by one the circle, and the reason why it has to be done one by one, that way you don't miss out the pattern, which is important for you to know what is the winning amount. So in this case, here it shows I-21. So once you reveal this number, so come to this card. Here I is here, and then you will see 21. 21 is here. In this card, there is no 21. In this card, 21 is here. And in this card, there is no 21. Similarly, you go to O, 71. You come to O and then find 71, which is here, which is here. There is no 71 here. There is no 71 here. To keep doing this for remaining 25. And once you are done with, you will start seeing pattern like this. Okay. So if you look at my card, these are scratched card. Anything which is visible in white has been scratched, and you start to notice pattern. If there is anything which is written free, you scratch this also. And once this is done, the pattern will decide the amount what you're going to get if you're a winner. If you get any line, that line could be horizontal, vertical or diagonal, as you see on the screen, you get $3. This $3 for each of this card. You see below this, the amount is written. So whatever the card number is, based on the line, you get $3 only on all 4 cards. If you get 4 corner, as you see on the screen, this is how the 4 corner will look. You will get $10. And if it makes a T pattern, you get $25. So this is consistent all across these 4 boxes. If you get X as a pattern, then the winning amount is $50. If you come to box or case, depending on which bingo card it is, you will see the amount is different. So if you get the box in bingo card 1, the amount what you will get is 5,000. If the box forms in 2, 10,000, 3, 25,000 and 4, 50,000. So that's how you will get to know the winning amount. Don't lose your heart if you have not got the pattern. Look for this below fast 15, and here you will have to get all 3. Once you start to reveal, you'll have to see all 3 having same pattern. Whatever you see in this box, if it matches in both, then you get $15. And also don't miss to scratch this part. You can scan this with OLG app. This is available on Android app in Google Play Store. And if you have an Apple device, then you can find this in the Apple App Store. So you'll get to know whether you have got the winning amount or not. Here in this card, let me reverse this. The prize must be claimed by the date would be mentioned at back of each card. Make sure if you have a winning amount, you claim the amount within this time. As I said, most of the people play this instantly, so they would get the amount right at the retail store. If you are not playing immediately, you can go to any retail store, OLG retail store, claim the amount if it is a smaller amount. If it is a bigger amount, in that case, you will be notified how to claim. And that's where this becomes important. Your name, address, city, all this detail have to be entered. And you also need to have a bill from where you got this, so that you don't get into any situation where you don't get the money. So that's how this is played. Hopefully this was helpful. Thanks for watching.